Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to install YouTube app. Method 1. Go to this apps tab, go down, set this search field, select. Here we need to type YouTube, then submit. See, select this YouTube icon. And here you can see install. Select install. That way we can install YouTube. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to apps. Select see all apps. Go down. Select show system apps. Under system apps we need to select Google Play Store. Go down, select Google Play Store, open. Now we are inside Google Play Store. Go to top, set search. Here also we can search. Here search for YouTube. See, here you can see YouTube. Select it. Then select install. See, now it's installing YouTube app. So these are the two methods to install YouTube app. You can try this. Okay, done. Installation completed. From here you can open or go to home screen, go to apps, go to your apps, go to right side. From here also you can open. So these are two methods to install YouTube app. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.